Hi, myself, I'm Anish, and I recently completed my class 10th, and now I worked on both projects under AJ, AI with AJ, and I made two projects. One is language translator, and another one is a game, snake game, which we used to play in our childhood. Now, first, I would like to explain about our language translator, a small project. This is created by using Python language, and show you how this works. Just a minute. Yeah, yeah, Telugu. So I will enter text. You should just press on the translate button here, and you can see మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు. So this is how our model works, and I want to show you the code which I written for this. Yeah, this is the code I written to make this project. You can see here that this is the code I written, and I want to show you the another project of mine, which is a game. It's a snake game. I think many of the you can relate to this game. This was our childhood memory. First, I will show you the working model of this game. This is how you can play here. We can use four buttons for running this game. Yeah, as you press the buttons, this keeps on moving. So we should just play this game, and there are score increases if we touch this ball by any chance. And yeah, this is how my game works. And thank you. This is the both projects.